on a costro any expect say next window never back from, but that doesn't mean say I was say minimum multi chrome home from who celebrities and influencers no or mudi penny movie atem. Pato minim say who andra abaya bi ade bia no awro ne ho onu ankasa ntimi hwe ne ho de bia awro ne ho me hu ase wa sha tadia ase wa sha sporter ana pant ah de nam krom ha onu nya the audacity timi didi mampani atem the audacity you see a friend if you bonsam o say if you den me de minim ni I think if you bonsam or something like that onu timi nya the audacity etimi didi mampani atem wo bipolar girl ya ona mo a no adwene nche dan function ye no there be all na adwene na pato ma me come asem na adwene enya adwuma ye no
obetimi oye ye nyina ye mampani and apart from that oye
the commander in chief
oye commander in chief ye nyina
I am a party penny
o say your party penny
entino say
enti so obi di nani sano a it means say also only ni pakron de face so amen kan hwe but say what the yade e di nipa na tem
there be me friend din atem me friend din atem pato there be the American say because say bipolar no you taking it serious in this country so yare a okwa yare sabe okohwehwe wa adwini but you don't take advantage say wa bodam intinu say ka ba no afa abobo aboka glass nim ene de anu be dili pato so what the American say but umfa abobo pato tio so what you adwini mu kawa enu ntinu say ka ba umfa abobo umfa mboka nim na ye be che wa say me dem adwini mu kamio go to the hospital. We live in a country where because of democracy be atimi kana adwini ntine bi mu are taking no into their own hands obi a no pato obi a ono kura no ono ya ka sem kura wan wosan ka wo kabi because wo adwuma be na wo ya omani mo ya de adwuma ni nko yie ma wo
ebia ono
mentil say pato eti kroma say be mentil say jantra fo be press conference say marketing koso
omo ya da jantra fo omo ya da ka so
mentil da it wo efia sasa bonsam no efia bonsam no wo adwuma be na wo ya wo say no omani mo ka kire provision store kura o ya president Akufo-Addo buy provision store negu tell us
a big boys in someone no nya bi di na big boys etia obeda enjoy na mo ya na mo de
entina
boys nya bi na mba mo bi na boys ayehia
sa nkrofo we mu nia no
odi o mampani atem
odi o mentimi repeat words no wa ha di o mampani atem sa no mo ko fa fix the country by ya o mu use to fix the country they run it down mampani me support to fix the country because I felt certain things were wasn't a team fixing wo krum ha a generational issues I was a team fixing and your president Akufo-Addo issues a generational issues nemo sa baba ye fia bonsami o mu use fix the country no ebi mu di o mampani atem blatant insult on the president you couldn't even fix your panty wo the piano asha kantamanto pant e de nam social media went man fix it say obi infexe my need di mampani atem na wo mampani wo wabusuo mu a anase wonkokrafo na afọ mo no mampani kan wo bia nka nya ode waye wanim say ayi potholes pato there be and won see yesoso san no man so kra san ne ati krom ha pato san ne ati krom na last month one former colleague abaye bi o say friend GH deben mouthpiece o say dem be din trogu mampani so listen, we are in hard times.
Your friend is
yeah, sure,
a gallon of petrol.
That doesn't mean say
a gallon of petrol now.
I was say
a gallon of petrol now is 81 Ghana cedis.
But when I make a choice,
a gallon of diesel is 106.
A boy, and copy December.
A boy. Yawo.
And copy December. Never
a gallon of petrol 81 Ghana cedis.
Now we saw John Pakusiano. There's no variation. And MPA is sitting idle, sleeping for businessmen to shortchange Ghanaians.
Na said Dr. Mustafa Hamid so or boy my CEO for in a crompono crana.
Oh, Massa.
Yeah,
Massa, Yenti Kromana banks BG awards. The following year they collapse. We know the qualitative nature of this country. We know the interest groups of this country, and we know how they award people. Say award ni pese
but
say pese who award that. Let's see award in fixing the right prices for the consumers. So BDC for nkaso mu use a dollar rate of 17 and any omo nyadwen because no enru ho na me no kase Bank of Ghana on the website a wako to class dollar no anka wo even pricing of petroleum products per the LI 2186 now anka averages from Bank of Ghana they will say this set price okroma enya even commercial bank rates as at 2012 yem fa say the Bank of Ghana say onya dollar no do mamo nti use commercial bank rate and I make say maybe commercial bank rate in the crown the highest is Fidelity which is 15. GCB is 4.6. Some EcoBank and around 4.4 and 14.4. So why do you set a price using a higher rate to the disadvantage of the petroleum user? And Obian Kashi.
Banks no to me a cost a chain Bank of Ghana because Bank of Ghana they're near 13%. 13 Ghana cedis to a dollar. I'm checking and then one kasa tweet. Our more treating and pay at 13 points. And I say, well, Honorable Adongo say, Bank of Ghana has the dollar rate and Aboki has the dollar.
Okay, so
Aboki will get a dollar, but Bank of Ghana will get a rate.
So my simple analogy of this is that commercial banks are into business, and for that matter, or more factor or more cost and profit margin in pricing the forex.
Some of these things.
But what I still insist is that I was saying, go back to the table.
So the American say these BDCs no.
Yeah.
Are buying $80 more at a rate of momoka. Said they buy price no more yen.
And I make catch say.
And the other antenna are buying one casa because you can't MP you can't buy.
Yeah.
MPA shall buy us. Yeah. And why is a bank not able to sit with a friend saying BDCs no?
That is something.
Now one want to make sure surprising no. Bet me the reason why I gave you this rate because right now the man no. Unyan is our bank.
Unyan babia.
But the more because me person factor your friend is saying pricing no. Oh price here. Who take into consideration who say me my dollar at a rate. Commercially, Unyan is out.
Yeah.
So why can't a bank? Because other than a bank, because another president can say or no better no matters because we have president. Then nema 12 no caso benwa. Petro boka humbi. What I say? Mami media me person me bomitrim aka me hwese de we see e kan no pepepe. On the me channel. So that about to say because it is in the interest of a bank. MPA is a bank. What I say, a bank say, Petro de no he. Namin can sa pepe. Encourage. I don't know Petro. Oh, share mammy. Also, Petro. Tackle cost of living by working prices, no, there be improve resource liquidity and there be tackle currency speculation to limit volatility, there be encourage traders to pursue inclusive growth while protecting.
Number two.
Restore.
Tackle cost of living by working to stabilize prices of petroleum products.
Tackle cost of living by working to stabilize prices of petroleum products through new